Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so listen, today we had a nice little, it's a pretty decent drop today, I think. I wanted to come and take a look at a couple tools, but for your Monday Madness here today, there's a couple of tools dropped, and I'm going to just concentrate on the ones I want to take a little bit closer look at. Zenith may be one, but that's not my number one. Zenith came. I think Zenith is back. I think this was here prior, and this is a Plus exclusive. So if you have Plus access, which I don't know why you wouldn't have Plus access. So I may take a look at that one. I'm just not really sure yet. Greta is one I'm definitely going to take a look at. So I'm always interested. Now we're in these spaces now, and I'm going to kind of give you an insight to what I'm thinking now. So we have these AI wrappers and all these AI tools coming. To have a tool that's going to allow you to create your own apps, and you can always run the code by AI and different things like that. I think this is the realm we're getting into, to be a separator in the business. So some of the things that you're working on, start creating an app for those, and to try to put everything in the app that you want people to get or want them to experience. I think this is something I'm going to look at. And if I like it, I'm going to pull it off the shelf initially for a tier 2. But if I really like what it's doing, if it's doing what I think it can do, because I've mixed one of my apps already with another tool, that is a surprise. I'm not going to show you that one until it's actually ready. You will be surprised. So if this does what I think it should do, I'm going to probably move this to a tier 3 or a tier 4. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely going to take Greta off the shelf and take a look at it. And one other tool I'm going to look at, and it's probably because I've dug into it a little bit further, this may be my Wednesday winner. So it's going to probably be this one or Greta. It's funny. One's named Luna, one's named Greta. Right. So this is the Greta calendar. Now, the thing you have to ask yourself is, do I have time for another calendar? Right. And I've seen some things that this calendar does. And I got to tell you, there are some things you can really customize with this calendar. So I'm going to pull it off the shelf. I'm definitely going to pull it off the shelf. I'm going to take a little bit closer look at it. If this tool does what I think it can do, you get the custom subdomains here at the tier 3 and get 20 users. So basically you can have 20 sub accounts. And I think the founder, I've already tried to reach out to them, and I think they may be on the show here in the next 48 hours. So we'll see. We'll keep our fingers crossed for that. Make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on that. You want to be able to ask him some of the questions that you want to know about. But this is definitely one I want to take a look at. And again, if I pull this off the shelf, it'll more likely be a tier 2 to start with, but probably move to a tier 3. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at here on this Monday Madness rhythm rhyme. Rhyme is back. I don't do WordPress at all. I'm just so over WordPress. I think WordPress is still good. I just got tired of chasing all the updates and all that. That's just me. Personally, translate your website into 120 plus languages. Convey this. I heard this is pretty decent. I don't know if I'm in the mode for that right now, but we'll have to see. Ads by, this one's leaving. And there was a study that came out about Google Ads. I mean, they had something like 30 million or 3 million ads that were ran illegally. They used AI to find out about the ads. So all these years you've been running ads and been wondering why your ad cost has been going up. That's because they had all these robots and fake ads and all that other stuff. So I'm just not a big ads guy. I just think organically the traffic does better with inbound marketing. It's just me. I think you guys know that about me already. So yeah, so Luna Cow and Greta, these two names, two female names, if you will. Actually, Jenny is a female name as well, but I digress. So definitely, yeah, Greta. There's another tool I've seen that I'm paying for right now that does what Greta does. And I think if Greta can replace it, then I think I'm gonna move into this realm. And this is kind of the next level where I'm looking at now. I want to start building my own apps and putting my own little small SaaS packages together. Nothing over the top, just some things that I want to add some services to people and help them out. And I think adding a tool like this is going to definitely benefit that. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Very, very, very short Monday Madness, but I'm going to get into these tools. I'm going to pull them off the shelf and I'm going to unlock them and we're going to see what we can get here. And there's one tool I mixed already with a tool like a Greta. You're going to be surprised. Stick around for that because I'm going to show you what I did. And you're going to be like, wow, I can't believe he mixed those two tools you're not even thinking about. So I think what I'm going to do is, because I was using a paid tool that's similar to Greta, I think I'm going to use Greta to create the same tool because it is a LTD. And I'm going to mix that with another LTD tool. Knock your socks off. Stay tuned. You guys have been great. Hey, Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Goodbye for now.